veins of the brain. They lie either on the surfaces of the hemisphere, where they drain the cerebral cortex and are called external veins, or lie inside the hemisphere, where they drain the basal nuclei and nerve tracts and are called internal veins. In general, the venous blood from the brain goes to the dural venous sinuses, for example, the cavernous, transverse, and petrosal sinuses, and eventually through them to the internal jugular veins. The veins on the upper part of the superolateral surface converge on the superior sagittal sinus. The veins on the lower part of the surface drain into the superficial middle cerebral vein, which lies between the lips of the posterior ramus of the lateral sulcus and carries the blood to the cavernous sinus. On the medial aspect of the hemisphere lies the great cerebral vein. It emerges just below the splenium of the corpus callosum. It is formed by the union of the two internal cerebral veins, each of which drains one hemisphere. The great cerebral vein, which is a single vein, passes backwards to join the inferior sagittal sinus to form the straight sinus, which lies in the midline of the tentorium cerebelli. This is the opening of the cut great cerebral vein, emerging under cover of the splenium of corpus callosum. Here lies the straight sinus in the midline of the tentorium cerebelli, which covers the upper surface of the cerebellum. This is the cerebellum, and these are the occipital lobes of the cerebral hemispheres.